Hello all. The Union Cabinet approves National Recruitment Agency. National Recruitment Agency will be a centralized body to conduct all government job exams. NRA is being set up with the view to reduce the burden on the Staff Selection Commission SSC and the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection IBPS. The National Recruitment Agency will be a multi-agency body that will conduct a common eligibility test which will be a first level test to screen candidates for SSC, RRBs and IBPS. This common eligibility test will be held in an online mode. Examination for all non-gazetted posts, Group B and C posts, and those candidates who qualify this CET will be able to apply to any recruitment agency like IBPS, SSC, Railway Recruitment Boards for higher level of examination. The CET score shall be valid for a time periods of 3 years during which the candidate can apply for jobs in different sectors depending upon his or her aptitude and scorecard. Around 2.5 crore aspirants who take separate multiple examinations conducted by different recruiting agencies for selection to around 1.25 lakh government jobs advertised each year will need to appear for a single online CET with the test scores remaining valid for 3 years. CET merit list may be made available to the states by NRA on cost sharing basis for undertaking recruitment to state government jobs. The agency will have representatives from SSC, IBPS and RRB. The test will be conducted for 3 levels: graduate, higher secondary and the matriculate candidates. However, the present recruitment agencies IBPS, RRB and SSC will remain in place. Based on the screening done at the CET score level, final selection for recruitment shall be made through separate specialized tiers of examination which shall be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. The curriculum for CET would be common. Each district to have an examination center. To make it easier for candidates, examination centers would be set up in every district of the country. A special focus will be on creating examination infrastructure in the 117 aspirational districts. The government says that the move will benefit the poor candidates, as in the present system they have to appear in multiple examinations conducted by multiple agencies. They have to incur expenditure on examination fees, travel, boarding, lodging and other things. The single examination is expected to reduce the financial burden on such candidates. So let us hope that opportunity will flood soon and let us start preparing very seriously. So the good news for all the job aspirants: take the news the wholeheartedly and work really hard anticipating future examinations. Thank you very much.